Hey, patchouli oil. So if you've heard of essential oils, you have likely heard of patchouli. It's been around forever. And patchouli essential oil is really good for things like chapped skin, itching skin, and also it's supposed to help prevent wrinkles, which I wish I knew in my 20s. I had no idea about patchouli or essential oils. I should have used it then. But patchouli, some of the ways we use it is for skin. If we have skin blemishes, skin scrapes, things like that. I've applied it right on my face. It's a very like a thick moisturizer. So I've used it at nighttime before, and in the morning I can tell kind of a difference in my skin because the moisture is held all night. I have dry skin anyway, so it's very good for that. It's good for cuts and for acne. And this scent is supposed to be very relaxing. When I diffuse it, I like to diffuse it with like a lemon or a citrus, and it really cuts like the earthy smell of patchouli if that's not like one of your favorites. But it has many medicinal benefits and also just relaxing benefits from using it in your diffuser aromatically. Another good thing that I use it for is I make a body spray with this and Aroma Ease or Spearmint. Those two together make an excellent body spray if you want to get away from the chemical-filled body sprays in the store. So this is how I use patchouli, and it's also very thick and lasts a really long time. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.